Mary's Life in Australia. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Hi! Welcome ulit sa Mary's Life in Australia. We are here in the garden today kasi may tomato tree at inaatake ng mga bugs ang aking kamatis. I don't know what to do dahil sayang, ang lalaki pa naman ng kamatis. Tignan nyo naman ang mga kamatis na to, ang lalaki, pero inaatake ng mga bugs. So subukan natin itong strategy na to. Ibalot natin sila sa base. Tignan natin kung what are you doing? Kung mapoprotektahan natin siya ng ganito. Kanina pa ako cutting all the don't do that. Naku, yung aso ko trap yan, itry. Sige ka, pag ginalaw mo yan, natin kung nababalot natin to para maprotektahan ang kamatis. Kamatis nadadali ng mapapasok pa rin. Sukan natin yan. Ayan, nakatali na yung isa, pero may mga awang-awang mapapasok pa rin. Matakot pa naman ang ipin ko. Ayan, nakabalot na yun. Ito, kita nyo to? Balot din natin to. Ang daming kumpul. Kita nyo to? Balot din natin yan. Mukhang hindi pa naaatake naatake na yung isa. Sayang. Grabe namang insect ito.
Oh, you put it in little bags.
Yeah, I'm just thinking because it's a bit protektahan natin ito ng ganito, kaya lang parang maliit yata yung bag. Baka hindi mag-expand yung kamatis. Yung aso pa kanina pa takbo ng takbo kung saan saan. Hey, get out there! Sayang yung mga bunga na pinagkakainan ng mga bugs. Darling, can you take him back in the cage? Ayan tingnan nyo. Yung malalaki pa naman siyang klase. Ayan, tingnan nyo, nabuksan na yung bag. Ano ba yan? Kailangan, mas malaki yung tali. ingay ng mga ibon. Pasensya na kayo. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Oh. Ang daming bunga. Kung di mo maaagapan, ayan, kakainin ng the insects will eat it. Oh, okay, see if we can protect this one. I should have got a bigger net. Okay. Let's see. You know our lemon tree, the branches are bulging. They are called gall wasp. Gall, G-A-L-L wasp. If you cover them, oh, what happened here? Oh, alright, okay. Stop. We will protect this one. Ang daming bunga eh. Hopefully this will help. Naku, puro pala ako piso oh, sa pag-garden. My God, my darling, I'm covered with all from the... Yeah. Okay. I got 3 bags in a row. Dami pa oh. Tingnan nyo. Look at that. Oh, ayan oh. Sayang eh. Pagka pinabayaan. I wonder kung may nabibili ng mga ano, yung mga bag na yung ready na, ipapasok mo na lang yung mga prutas, tapos silahan mo na lang ang tali. Ay naku, baka kailangan bilhin ko yung mga ano, yung mga lagyanan ng regalo. Hey, you going back to your cage if you don't behave. Okay, hopefully this will work wonders, huh? And see all these fruits grow. Tignan na lang natin kung paano ka papapasukin ng mga insect. Okay. Masakit ang likod ko. Ang dami pa dito sa kabila. Okay, we are here at the back of our backyard. I'm checking all our tomato. See, look at all the tomatoes that's being attacked by mouse. Sayang. Oh, ayan oh. Can you see? Ito ba? Ayan oh. Sayang ang bunga. So I don't know how many bags I have to get. Oh my god, look at that. Ang laki-laki nung nando dun, oh. Kita nyo? That one is big. But I don't know if that's already been damaged. Oh, kita nyo? Already been partly eaten. Isn't that annoying? Oh, nawala na naman yung ginupit ko. Ayun. Okay, we are here now sa kabila. Okay. Hindi nyo nakikita yung ginagawa ko rito. Kasi nakatago. Pero malaki siya. Malaki yung yung kamatis. Sayang kung hindi mapoprotektahan. Ayun, nakatali na. Tignan nyo. Ang dami-dami na yan na pinagkakain. Sayang. Okay, I'll show you yung mga na-damage na. There, see? Kita nyo yan? Oh my god. More damage. Oh my god, I saw another one. Ang laki dun sa ibaba. Nako, kaya ko ba itong maabot? Nako, na-damage na rin. Oh, ayan oh. Can you see? Ang hirap sumingit eh. Ayan oh. Oh. Na-damage na. Tatanggalin natin yan. I found another lace. So we'll try and use this one. I'm not sure kung saan ko ginamit to. But it's here, so let's use it. Yung isang lace na ginamit ko kanina, ano yun, more close stitches. Ito medyo open eh. So I don't know if this is gonna work. Ito na lang hindi man masyadong mainit. Kasi kung mainit, nako, I cannot do this. Okay. Let's go and do this. Hopefully, I can protect that, hopefully I can protect the tomato by doing this. This type of tomato are the big ones. May na-trap na flies doon. Okay. Let's do this. It's actually fun doing this, Ayan. Kasi kung ano-ano mga pinaggagawa niyo dyan, ayan, magbalot kayo ng puno ng kamatis. Ito, tingnan niyo to. Ay, naku, ang laki. Hindi ko na pakita sa inyo. At, babalot na lang natin. Pasukin natin ang kuweba. Ayun, kita nyo ba yun? Ayan, ayan. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Ibabalot natin yan. Oh. Ay. Wow, ang bigat na nito ah. Okay. Na, damage na itong isa. Oh, ayan. Kita nyo? Sayang. Sayang. Ngayon lang tayo nagkatagpo. Napakagandang kanta nun. Alaala ko ng teenager ako ng araw. My God, popular yung kanta na yan. Okay. Hopefully, successful tong ginagawa natin at ako'y namamatay na dito sa init. Kanina maganda, walang araw. Ngayon, sumikap yung araw. We're on the last 3 bags. Marami na rin tayong nabalot. So hopefully, hindi yan kakainin ng daga. Pag hinain pa rin yan ng daga, I can't do anything anymore. Go straight. So, here we go. Last bags. May init na. Okay, let's all work it. Hey everyone, back to Marie's Life in Australia. I managed to wrap some of these tomatoes because it's being attacked by mouse. So looks like I've got a Christmas tree, tomato tree. There you go. Tignan nyo naman yan. My God, ang dami pang kailangan balutin. So I need to come back when I get my more lace inside the house. So that's it. So thank you for watching. So if you have some tomato tree, if you want to protect it, try and cover it with lace, something like that. Okay, so they're all looking good now. So till next time, thank you for watching Marie's Life in Australia. Don't forget to like and subscribe.